Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Escinapine. Okay, this escinapine is actually approved for the acute treatment of schizophrenia. It is approved for acute treatment of schizophrenia in adults, and it is also approved for acute treatment of manic disorders also. It is approved for acute treatment of manic disorders also, or it is also used approved for acute disorders of mixed episodes which are associated with bipolar disorders also. This is a newer drug.
thank you and thank you for watching.